You're looking at a fuel delivery system out of a 1980 450 SL. This includes the following components. You have a fuel pump, you have a filter, and you have an accumulator. Then over here you have this funny looking can, and I get a lot of questions about this. People want to know what this is. Do I carry new ones? No, new ones are not available. This is an empty can. You got that? There's nothing in there that wears out. It's empty. The only thing that happens to these, if they get holes in them, this is called a fuel damper. So the fuel comes from the tank into the damper, and when the pump is running, it gets some oscillations back and forth, see? So that fuel then goes kind of in and out, and it dampens the noise of the pump. That's the purpose of this right here. And if you look at the fuel routing, comes out of the pump, goes into the filter, leaves the filter, and this line goes up to the engine compartment. But the line also goes over into this unit here, which is called the accumulator. And there's a big spring and a big diaphragm in there. And what happens with this is when you shut the car off, this holds pressure. And if everything is tight in the system, when you go to start the car, it's already pressurized, so you don't get that problem of vapor lock. And the car will start right up. So accumulators get old, the diaphragms fail. And this is a leak-off line. So if the diaphragm inside the accumulator fails, fuel leaks off, goes right back into the damper, and then it's recycled to the pump. And that's real common on a lot of these fuel delivery systems. But in 1979 and 1980, they did this. They added this thing. Look at this. And they teed it right into this leak-off line. So in this video, quiz of the week. What is this? Now you can leave a comment, but you have to tell me what this is, and you have to explain what it does. If you don't, the comment will not be approved. Now I'll come back in a week or so, and we'll open this up and try to figure out what this is.